Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the Seltos with the Matte PPF. How we'll adorn this PPF is what we are going to discuss about. Why do people like matte finish vehicles? Well, it is more aesthetics and it looks good. But to maintain a matte finish vehicle, matte finish, the old things gets faded, and when it gets faded, then it becomes glossy. What is the reason? People don't like to buy matte finish, but there's a solution for it. If you do a PPF on the matte, it will look really good and it will have the same finish what it has from the original matte compounding on this car. So that is what we're going to explain this whole thing about, and you'll see it in our future videos.